Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my vegan sourdough discard blueberry muffins. First, if you want the crumble, we're going to make that by melting 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or butter. We're add a half a cup of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of coconut sugar. You could also use date sugar or brown sugar, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Using a fork, mix until you have what looks like wet sand and set it aside. Now we're going to make our flax egg. 6 tablespoons of ground flaxseed and 6 tablespoons of water. Mix it up and set it aside to let it gel. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, we're going to combine our dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of cane sugar. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Whisk these together. Add 1 heaping cup of fresh, washed, and dried blueberries. Fold the blueberries in until all the blueberries are covered in the dry ingredients. Now we need a bowl for our wet ingredients. You need 8 tablespoons, yes, 8, of butter or coconut oil, then melt it. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 full cup of sourdough discard starter stirred down. Mix until well combined. Then add the flax egg if it's nice and thick. Whisk that together so it's a nice cohesive mixture. Now we're going to add our wet to our dry. Fold together, and the batter, which is more like a cookie dough, should be thick. I like to use a cookie or an ice cream scoop to scoop out and put into the muffin liners. Then you're going to top with a heaped teaspoon each of the crumble. Bake these for 30 minutes, checking after that with a chopstick for doneness. If it's not done, pop it back in the oven for 5 minutes and repeat until the chopstick comes out clean. Remove from oven and let them cool completely before enjoying. This makes 18 medium-sized muffins or 12 large muffins. I only made enough crumble for 12 muffins, but you can make more or just cut that out entirely. They taste perfectly good without it. This is a great way to use up excess sourdough starter discard. Enjoy!